I'm replacing the headlamp low beam on my 2014 Odyssey. I just want to show you one thing, because other videos were trying to remove all this stuff. But when you're removing this coupler here, I was pushing on it, trying to understand the instructions. I looked at the lamp. There's a little tab back here. You can see, you'll see there's a little tab on the back. I realized there must be something to loosen that. And if you look back here, see here, there's a little button back here. So my advice is, when you're trying to remove this, just push on this and it'll release this little hook up here that hooks into this tab back here. And then you can push it down with a screwdriver or something. I was pushing down with the screwdriver directly and it wasn't moving. And then, you know, I saw these videos, seemed so easy. There's a little tab back here. This little push button thing. Not push button, but a little lever sort of thing. You know, you just push on it and it's under here, and then push down and it'll come out because it hooks on this little thing on the back of the lamp. Okay, that's what I figured out. Hopefully this helps you.